brother, myself Raj. So let's get started.
Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of SOUNDPEATS QY7, a Bluetooth portable headphones. You can see imported by Thnks, India, and the price mentioned is 3,990, but you can get from Flipkart at 1,999. So let's open the box. So if you like my video, hit that like button, comment your opinions on the comment section below, and if you had not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so each time I upload a new video. So good to see you in my next video.